Unheard of, right?
Yes.
Except till now. Unbelievable. All right. Well, we are looking at that wind advisory until 8 p.m. We've been talking about a peak winds between about 2 and 8 p.m. is when we're anticipating that. And then they'll start to relax a bit overnight. Tracking more rain for tomorrow as early as the morning into the midday hours, and then a chilly Easter weekend. But at least things look dry. It's just not going to be exactly what we're looking for as temperatures go. These are peak winds that we've seen so far since midnight, up to 51-mile-per-hour wind gust and howl. That was after 3 o'clock with the cold front. We've seen 45, even 46-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Ann Arbor, Metro Airport, Mount Clemens, so fairly widespread, and we'll continue that trend through the afternoon. So winds right now gusting almost 30 in Ann Arbor, past that 37 in Jackson, seeing a wind gust near 30 downtown at this point. And we're going to continue to watch these sustained winds between 15, 20, 25 miles per hour, or even on the lower end 20. So I would say most of those winds, at least sustained winds between 20 and about 30 at times. Here's the area of low pressure, the cold front that already has pushed off to our east. We're waiting on a secondary cold front to swing through tomorrow. That'll reinforce the chilly air in place for the weekend, but also bring us a chance for a few showers. 44 in Chicago behind that secondary front and behind the system in general. It's wrapping in that colder air. 30 in Fargo, 31 degrees Minneapolis. So the cooler air for the weekend is just going to seep in as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours. 51 degrees in Detroit, 49 right now in Pontiac. It is 52 degrees Port Huron. The temperature change, though, from yesterday's 70 degrees. Oh, we know, maybe don't even want to look at it, but 15 to about 20 degrees cooler right now compared to yesterday. So hour by hour forecast as we go through again tonight, tomorrow morning, we're pretty dry. We get to about 9, 10 o'clock, may see a few of these showers developing along that secondary cold front south of I-94 initially, and then start to fill in during the midday hours. Further north, a little drier than to the south overall as this system pushes through. But the good news is it's out of here by early Saturday morning. So by the time you're getting up, get going, we should already be dry. We'll keep that trend again for the weekend. Things look pretty decent as far as that's concerned, but you're going to need the jacket on and likely going to have to cover up the Easter dresses because it's going to be a chilly start to Sunday. Temperatures today, though, for a lot of us will be in the mid 50s, 57 in the city, a little cooler, of course, near the water and to the north. 56 degrees, breezy tomorrow with the scattered rain showers. Saturday, Sunday look dry, temperatures near 50. Again, keep in mind those morning lows will be quite chilly. Could even see a bit of a wintry mix, yes, on Monday. Well, stay with us. We have some more 7 Action.